Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to reset your Xfinity cable box, and this is the official support from Xfinity. So what you need to do is first open the Xfinity My Account app. It's available for download on both your iOS and Android from the respective Play Stores or App Store. Then you just go ahead and scroll down and select the TV tile, select Troubleshoot, and you will be presented with two options. So we have System Refresh, which fixes the most common issues by restarting all of the boxes inside your home. This can take up to 10 minutes. Or what you could do is just restart the device. So it will actually allow you to select one TV box to restart. And this can take up to 5 minutes to complete. So just select your preferred method and just press start. Troubleshooting. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.